Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Trendy Matters. Today, we're diving into the world of hotels, those magical places that let us kick back and relax after a long day of exploring. And guess what? We've got some insider tips and tricks that'll make your hotel stay even better without burning a hole in your wallet. Let's jump into the video. 1. Book directly with the hotel. First things first, forget about those third-party booking sites like Booking.com or Hotels.com. Instead, go straight to the source, the hotel itself. You know what's cool? Most hotels love it when you book directly with them. Why? Because they don't have to pay those booking sites a commission. And that means they're more likely to offer you the best deals. It's a win-win. 2. Celebrate special occasions. Got a special occasion coming up. Whether it's your birthday, graduation, honeymoon, or anniversary, don't be shy. Let the hotel know. When you're booking online, drop a note in the comments box or mention it when you call. Chances are, they'll want to make your stay extra memorable. You might score a free room upgrade or even a bottle of champagne. Cheers to that. 3. Stock up on toiletries. Those little soaps, shampoos, and lotions in your hotel room, they're fair game. Feel free to take as many as you want. You've already paid for them, even if they don't show up on your bill. Plus, they're super handy for camping trips, sleepovers, or long plane rides. You can even bag them up and donate them to the homeless. Sharing is caring. 4. Block out the light. Jet lag made you feel groggy during the day. Some hotel curtains just can't keep the light out, but fear not. Grab a few hangers from the closet and use the clamps at the bottom to cinch those curtains closed. No more unwanted daylight disturbing your beauty sleep. 5. Maximize your space. Hotel rooms can sometimes feel a bit cramped, right? If you're running out of space, check the closet for an ironing board. No ironing need, keep your shoes clean. Have ever been in a rush to pack your bags and realized you have no way to keep your dirty shoes separate from your clean clothes? We've all been there, but here's a quick fix. Head to the bathroom and grab an unused shower cap. Wrap it around the soles of your shoes. Toss them in your luggage. And voila, no more shoe dirt messing up your clothes. 6. Get creative with laundry bags. Most hotels provide laundry bags, but what if you're not planning to use the laundry service? Well, these bags are multi-purpose. Use them to separate dirty clothes from clean ones in your luggage. They're also perfect for storing snacks or serving as a makeshift trash bag for your car during the ride home. 7. Place the suitcase inside the bathtub. When you get to a hotel, the suitcase in the bathtub. Hack? When you check into a hotel, consider placing your suitcase inside the bathtub. Why? It's a clever way to keep your luggage off the floor and away from potential bed bugs or dirt. Plus, it provides a convenient space to unpack and access your belongings without bending over. Just remember to check the tub for any leftover soap or water residue. 8. Place a towel under the hotel door. The towel under the door hack. If you desire extra privacy or want to block out light in your hotel room, try placing a damp towel along the gap under the door. This simple trick can help reduce noise, light, and even odors from the hallway, creating a more peaceful and restful environment for your stay. Just be sure not to soak the towel excessively to prevent water damage to the floor or carpet. 9. Childproof your room with Band-Aids. If you're traveling with little ones, you know that hotel rooms aren't always designed with them in mind. Here's a clever trick. Pack some Band-Aids in your luggage. You can use them to cover electrical outlets, keeping your kids safe from accidents. They're also handy for securing wires or cords to prevent tripping hazards. Dead? No problem. You can use it as an extra shelf, a makeshift work desk, or even a dining table. Just throw a towel on top to keep it clean. 10. Get rid of unsavory odors. Let's tackle those pesky smells. You know, when you're out trekking in the great outdoors, it's like a spa day for your mind and body. People love it because it gets you up close and personal with nature, all while exploring those hidden gems. But wait, here's the scoop. When you're in a muggy place, your clothes can start to stink real fast, especially if you've changed and tossed your used stuff in your bag. Here's a nifty trick. Just toss a dryer sheet in there with your gear. It'll suck up all those funky odors and keep things smelling fresh as a daisy for way longer. Easy peasy, right? And there you have it. Folks, thanks for tuning in to discover these priceless hotel hacks for travelers. Now it's your turn to share your wisdom. What's your favorite hotel hack? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips handy, and share this video with your fellow travelers. For more travel gems, remember to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.